The Christmas tree. The aroma of pine needles filled the air as the John family gathered around their towering Christmas tree. Excitement crackled like static electricity. Anticipation built with every rustle of wrapping paper. This year, decorating the tree was more than just an annual tradition. It was a mission, a quest for the perfect adornments. Little Siri, her eyes wide with wonder, tugged at her father's sleeve. Daddy, can we put the sparkly star on the top this year? Father, a man of few words, but a heart overflowing with love, simply smiled and nodded. The star, a family heirloom, passed down through generations, held a special magic. It was said that whoever placed the star atop the tree would be granted a wish. Their mother, a whirlwind of creativity, had meticulously planned the decorations. Boxes overflowing with treasures were unearthed from the attic, hand-painted ornaments from Siri's childhood. Delicate glass bubbles that shimmered like jewels, and strings of twinkling lights that cast a magical glow. First came the lights, a shimmering cascade that transformed the tree into a beacon of warmth. Then the ornaments were carefully hung, each one a memory, a story waiting to be told. Siri giggled as they hung a crooked snowman ornament, a reminder of her first clumsy attempt at winter art. Her brother Tom, a teenager who usually scoffed at such childish activities, found himself drawn in. He carefully selected a set of silver bells, their melodious chimes echoing through the room. As he hung them, a sense of peace settled over him, a rare moment of calm in the whirlwind of his teenager life. Their grandmother, her hands gnarled with age, watched with a gentle smile. She recounted tales of Christmases past, of trees adorned with homemade decorations and carols sung by candlelight. Her stories, woven with threads of nostalgia, added a layer of warmth and depth to the already magical atmosphere. Finally, it was time for the crowning glory. Siri, with a deep breath and mischievous glint in her eye, carefully climbed the ladder. Reaching the pinnacle, she gently placed the star atop the tree, its points catching the light and casting shimmering reflections across the room. As they admired their handiwork, a sense of contentment washed over the family. The tree, adorned with love, laughter, and cherished memories, was more than just a collection of decorations. It was a symbol of their bond, a testament to the enduring power of family and the magic of the holiday season. Siri, snuggled between her parents on the couch, whispered her wish. It wasn't for riches or fame, but for the happiness and health of her loved ones, for more moments like this, filled with joy and togetherness. As the fire crackled in the heart and the snow gently fell outside, the Jan family knew that this Christmas, like all the ones that came before, would be one to cherish forever. And finally, the decorations, though beautiful, were merely the embellishments. The true magic lay in the love and laughter that filled their hearts, a treasure far more precious than any ornament.